Hello, myself Dr. Aishwarya. I have completed my UG degree and I had joined Maurya Publication's Medicine Lecture Series, which is taken by Dr. Om Prakash sir. I would like to thank first of all Dr. Om Prakash sir for all his teachings in medical series. Dr. Om Prakash sir is very good teacher. His way of teaching is very much informative for every student. He starts a disease from definition, cause, pathophysiology, investigation part, and then coming to diagnosis and treatment. So the causes, like he will come to the cause, like what is the cause of the disease. Then coming to investigation part, he teaches on the live reports of the patient, like how to diagnose the disease from that live reports of the patient. And then he will come to the treatment part later, where treatment part is also he teaches that you should start from by treating the cause first and then coming to the main whatever the disease is. So this is how he teaches. And there are also many live cases discussions. In live case discussion, he will present you a live case, and then there is some interactive sessions like how to diagnose the case, what investigation you will advise to the patient, how you will treat that particular disease. So he gives a very brief outline of a disease, and this is how we learn in his lectures. I would like to thank Om Prakash sir and Maurya sir for this platform for every medical students, and thank you.